This video provides information from the internet, and we do not promote any products or medicines. Always consult a doctor before using any medication. We are not responsible for any side effects or issues resulting from self-medication.
Doxyvac C Capsule is a combination medication that effectively manages intra-abdominal bacterial infections and antibiotic-associated diarrhea in adults. It combines the benefits of an antibiotic and a probiotic. Indications and uses. This medication is indicated for adults who are prone to intra-abdominal bacterial infections and those experiencing diarrhea associated with antibiotic usage. By targeting harmful bacteria and restoring digestive balance, it helps alleviate gastrointestinal symptoms, making it an effective choice for those in need. How it works. Doxyvac C Capsule works by allowing doxycycline to accumulate inside bacteria, inhibiting their protein synthesis, while lactic acid bacillus restores healthy gut flora. Directions for use. Take this medication exactly as prescribed by your physician. It should be swallowed whole with a glass of water. Do not crush or chew the capsule. Your doctor will dictate the appropriate dosage and duration based on individual factors such as age, body weight, and health condition. Possible side effects. Common side effects may include loss of appetite, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, rash, light sensitivity, hives, and hemolytic anemia. Consult a doctor if any symptoms worsen. Precautions and warnings. It is crucial to consult a healthcare provider before using this medication if you have allergies to doxycycline or lactic acid bacillus, are pregnant or breastfeeding, or have existing health conditions. Special caution is advised for children under 8 years and elderly patients. FAQs. 1. Can this medication be given to children? No, it is not recommended for children under 8 years due to potential tooth discoloration. 2. What if I forget a dose? Take it as soon as you remember, but skip it if the next dose is imminent. 3. Can I stop taking it once I feel better? Continue until directed otherwise by your doctor. 4. How should it be taken? Swallow it whole with water without chewing. 5. Will it cause vomiting? Vomiting is a possible side effect. Consult a healthcare provider if it persists. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment below. Your feedback is always appreciated.